So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to search and type in registry editor. Click on it, and then click on yes. And then once you're on this, you can follow everything I'll be doing up here. So first you want to expand HT classes root, and then you want to look for .exe. So you want to scroll down, it shouldn't be too far, until you find .exe. Here it is, you want to click on this. You want to make sure that in the default value, so you want to double click on default, make sure that in here, in the value data, it says exe file. It should only say exe file and nothing else. Make sure that it's in lowercase as well, so exe file in lowercase, and then click on OK. And then once you've done that, you want to look for a folder that's called exe file. Now you could either scroll down to find it, or you could just click on any folder once and then type in exe file, and then it will take you to here. Here it is, exe file. You want to view on this folder. And then once you're in the exe file folder, you want to double click on default. Make sure that the value data says application on it with a capital A and then everything else lowercase. So type in application and then click on OK. And then once you've done that, now you want to expand the exe file folder, and then you want to expand the shell folder, and now you want to find the open folder. You want to click on the open folder, and now you want to double click on default. Make sure that you have nothing in here. Make sure that you have nothing in the value data, and then click on OK. And then once you've done all that, you just want to restart your computer, and then the problem should be fixed.